Hi, my YouTube family and friends. This is Antoinette, and I wanted to come with you with a quick update of my orchid that bloomed again. So yes, this is the yellow one. Of course, you can see that. The white one has not bloomed for me yet. I guess it's on vacation. But it still looks really nice, right? It has strong leaves. And so it looks really nice. And so I'm just waiting for that to bloom. I cut the stalk off. It had died, so I cut the stalk off here, and I cut the stalk off here. And again, I'm just waiting for it to bloom again. There's nothing in there. I mean, the stalk to come. There's nothing in there yet, but I'm patient. But this one here, so only one of the stalks died, and I cut the stalk off, and part of this stalk had died. So you can see I cut it off right there. Whoa, come on, focus. There you go. I cut it off right there, and then it grew out another stalk. Right there. Yeah, and then I got this beautiful flower. Beautiful orchid flower. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Wow, it's prettier like that in the light. I wanted to share that with you to let you know my orchids are still blooming. They haven't kicked a bucket on me yet. Yeah, so I'm happy. This is the longest I've ever kept orchids alive, even the plants themselves alive. But the surprising part for me is that they actually bloom. They bloom for me. So yes, here we are, the orchid. So thank you for watching. Remember to love someone, give them a hug, and appreciate the small things. Subscribe to my channel if you like. Give me a thumbs up and shoot me a comment down there. Let me know what you think about my videos. All right, take care. Bye-bye.